What's poppin'? Hope you guys are good. It's your favorite DJ Apex, and I'm not alone with Fit too. I'm with my baby.
It is your girl, Lady N. You know what it is.
Oh yeah. Anyazi Fit. It's what's poppin' time. It's Katsama updates. Now we're still around. It's episode 11. We're still pushing what's popping, guys. So please don't forget to subscribe, guys. Lady N is one of the main channels of What's Popping, and also Apex Wave Studios. So Apex Wave Studios and Lady N Buffy. So please subscribe to both channels. Let's keep it going, guys. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it moving, because we always got dope content for you guys.
Yeah.
So let's get to the first segment, Buffy. So siniphathele Team Express. Team Express, Melo and Sleazy. They're about to drop Midnight in Deep Kloof Zone 2 this Friday.
Oh,
so and I'm sure you guys know the first project, the Midnight in Deep Kloof. That was the part 1. I think this is part 2. Yeah, even the concept corner, it was creative, but it's Zone 2.
Yeah,
Zone 2 actually means part 2.
Oh yeah, makes sense.
So Bona, they created the name they were very creative in naming this EP, because of Zone 2 says it Deep Kloof, but it's a DK, you know. So the guys were very creative. So music needs artists like that, needs you guys to be creative in order for the listeners to enjoy it.
True.
True. Yeah. Is there anything you would like to add, like Lady N? You good, ne? Alright, Buffett.
Next.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, Buffett. Let's move on to the next segment, Buffett too. So Sinpetelu Lady 2, but this time around we have double segments for Lady 2. So the first one, Lady 2 advises artists to respect promoters.
Oh yeah, guys.
I really emphasize this part, because why? Artists they tend to disrespect promoters, but at the same time they're not only disrespecting promoters. Into a backfire cool, it backfires guma artists lawa big. Like for example, if mhlambe maybe go spana no Kabza, manje sogxeka uKabza ngoba ipromoter kaKabza did 1 2 3. It's because of when eqaleni bongazange uba respect labo bantu labo. So you need to respect abantu abagaya platform, you need to respect abantu abakuthatha to the next level. Artists lawa are successful balaba khona for that because baspanile.
Yeah, guys, like inhlonipho izogisa far. Like masingafunda nje ukuhloniphana.
Yeah.
Like singaya far, because irrespect ayikho shem. Abantu abahloniphani and ayikho right lento leyo.
It's not okay. It's not okay at all, guys. It's not okay at all, because guys sicela nibe respect. Artists kakhulu siyazi maseniqala ingena royalties, seniqala siniba snacks. Mara la umuntu angena next bekapitha sihlonipha ngisho. So please Bafethu, so please respect promoters, because without streams without promoters bengeke kube nemali nama streams and gigs and everything. We need promoters to keep on pushing us as brands. So another segment, Lady 2 gives uKabza flowers wakhe, because uKabza recently he was paying artists royalties without being asked.
Nice.
That's very good. Like shout out to Kabza, Bafethu.
Shout out.
Papta.
Shout out.
Papta. Yeah, Bafethu. Yeah. Kabza inja Bafethu. Nami ngiyamvuma personally, yabo. Yeah, and I would like to work with Kabza the Small one day. Kabza the Small cela sihlanganisa track ntwana Godmani mina ngintwana eGrandi singaspanisana ngiyiproducer ezayo eNtswembu sisazohlangana. Yeah, this is the last segment Bafethu. Seseyivala ke le episode 11 What's Popping. Makalezi indaba ezibhlungu nyana Bafethu. Cela simsupport guys. So uSykes Bafethu escaped a hijacking attempt.
Oh Nkosi bawo. Ejozi. Guys, yasekunzima manje. Like I-crime iseyande to that extent ukuthi like asisize siyasaba nokuhamba nje. Because like abantu nje bayasi harasa nanoma singekho isidingo. Cabanga nje umuntu azofuna ukuthathela into oyisebenzele akazi ukuthi ulale udleni lenkathi uthenga leyo nto leyo noma usacrifice ini ukuze uthole le nto leyo yena afike nje afuna ukuyithatha nje
like
just like that
kanjalo nje
nah guys ibhlungu lento yenzakalayo like ibhlungu like say out of control
like it's getting out of order now like the way things are happening nah like and I'm pretty sure these guys bebangaboni ukuthi uSykes abamazi nokumazi ngisho bebafuna le Benz lakhe elimnyama baphume out hlanhla le uNkulunkulu wathi
akavumanga ngayo
hayi la angivumi so bafethu ngikhona imessage nyane engiphathele yona uSykes ayishilo so uSykes I think posted he said got my fair share of Josie's dangerous streets. They tried taking my car from me and when I resisted they stabbed me. Lucky to be alive.
Just imagine.
Please lock your doors when you are on the road. You never know when such things happen.
Guys, should thina kusamelanga sikhuleke ke manje. Manje siphile ngokusaba manje ngoba kukhona amahuzu la ngaphandle, khona amaguru la ngaphandle. Hayi bafethu.
Sesiphila kabuhlungu emhlabeni wethu manje. In our own country. And I'm pretty sure it's South Africans. Mostly it's South Africans. I know amachita semalokishini. I know bafethu ukuthi nizama.
Bayaphanda ngithi.
I know you guys like nizama ukuphanda ne. But bafethu kumele nibuye nibheke ukuthi niphanda kubobani bafethu. Asali ntshontshe imoto bafethu shaba ningaphandi ngathi. Sanicela bafethu please ningaphandi ngathi. Ngoba lento izofika to a serious point and manje ngeke kube mnandi wena mosoboshiwe or ifamily yakho seyiphila kabuhlungu ngoba wena utshontshe imoto. I understand. So please bafethu cela nikeleni ukuntshontshelani umuntu omnyama bafethu. Enhleke nje umuntu nje kahle icrime mayiphele bafethu.
Hey, melipheli crime.
Ziningi indlela zokuphanda bafethu. Ziningi indlela zokuphanda. Moya ihumusha, ihlisa umoya beka umoya phansi, ucabange indlela yokuphanda. Simple. What's popping bafethu? Sonibona bafethu on the next episode. We out.
Danko.